Hey, what's up, YouTube? Check it out. I'm riding my old Santa Cruz Jeff Kendall skateboard. Dude, it is messed up. It's been way too long. Look at these trucks. They're just like all over the place. No wonder I couldn't turn. Try and go to carve and it's just like going straight. And I'm like leaning, but nothing happening. It sucks. So it's all this slap back here. Look at that. The pivot cup is just toast. We're gonna rip these trucks apart. It's like a 9/16 wrench. Inspect everything. Got the top washer. Got the top cone bushing there. You can see all the abuse these things are. They've been taking all that aluminum rubbed in there. Definitely time for some new stuff. This is a big problem though. Look at that. The pivot cup there is where the truck pivots on, and with that thing sliding around, it wasn't turning, it was just sliding. So we'll get that fixed right up. I'm gonna put on a new washer, new bushing, new pivot cup. Put that truck back in there. Top cone, top washer, and we're gonna crank it down. You know, these bushings are just like wheels. They come in a hardness variance. The lower the number, the softer it is, the more smooth it gets. If you're a lightweight guy, you might want soft bushings. If you're a heavier dude, harder ones. If you're gonna just ride the street and carve, softer ones. If you just like want a stiff ride, then you want harder ones. It's pretty simple. So you're just going to tighten that up till it's snug. You don't want to over smush them because then they'll start to crack. You just got to get them nice and snug. Once you're done with the back one, do the front one. It's the same thing. You can't mess this up. I haven't ridden my board in so long. The last time I rode it, this thing was living in the trunk of my car just for like an emergency. This poor guy, man. It's been through the decades with me. It's awesome. You know, Jeff Kendall board, freaking classic Santa Cruz. And, you know, I just looked it up. They re-released this deck. So, I don't know, this was like my favorite board riding back in the day. FYI, forceps, not the best thing for pulling this little pivot cup out. Just like hit it with a screwdriver or something. It'll come. It's easy. Definitely don't do what I did. I mean, it came out, but whatever, there's always an easier way. Put it all back together, same order you took it apart in. Make sure those little cups are faced up. You know, they want to hold the bushing in, not like let it mush away. Snug it all up. This thing's going to be back in business in no time. Anyway, guys, totally quick video. Look at this. Wow, I can carve again. Anyway, good times. Skate on. Dig up a relic, fix it, buy a used board, repair it. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and have fun skating.